Okay, we're going to do a little experiment with drones here. Some of you may know that the piano, for example, is an equal-tempered instrument, which means that although it's very pretty, it doesn't actually play in tune. You have to just play a G and a D for me. It sounds in tune to our ears, but if you actually take a perfect fifth, a G to D in nature, that's attitude. It's a little crunch this way. A pure fifth is a little bit wider. And so for us to really play in tune, we have to be able to tune that fifth exactly as it is in nature. So we're going to use a drone that's kind of electronically created to imitate the effect of what nature would do. We're going to start with day by day, starting at measure 5, which is kind of the feel of G, at least from measure 5 through measure, I think, 15 or so. We're going to play very slowly with the drone, just so we can hear both the fundamental pitch of that G and know where it exactly plays any Ds, B flats relative to that G. So let's start our drone off. We want it to be kind of annoying, so we can make it a little louder. Cool, let's try measure 5. Slowly, just so we can kind of savor not only the drone, but how each note interacts against it. Let's try it. 1, 2, 1, 2, all right, and. Hold a G. Just hold a G. Yeah, concert G. Concert G. Now play concert D. Concert D. Good. Here's the same thing, measure 5, and if you can lock into that. There are some notes going to kind of clash against it. Some will lock in perfectly, but being able to be aware of that interaction is what we want. 1, 2, 1, 2, listen. Off, and same thing, but if you can hear the drone in your head, especially the placement of that D in relation to it. 1, 2.